Nature is not the place to visit, it is home. Nature always wears the colors of the spirit. If you look the right way, you can see the whole world is a garden. Should you shield the canyons from the windstorms, you will never see the true beauty of their carving. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. There are always flowers those who want to see them. In nature, nothing is perfect, and everything is perfect. Trees can be contorted, bent, and weird ways, and they're still beautiful. Let the rain kiss you. Let the rain beat upon your hard head with silver, liquid drops. Let the rain sing you a lullaby. You can cut all the flowers, but you can't keep spring from coming. Spring is nature's way of saying, let's party. Gray skies are just clouds passing over. If you wish to know the divine, feel the wind on your face and the warm sun on your hand. I firmly believe that nature brings solace in all troubles. When you do something noble and beautiful and nobody notices, do not sad, for the sun every morning is beautiful, is spectacle, and yet most of the audience still sleep. Hello, sun in my face. Hello, you who meet the morning and spread it over the field. Watch now how I start my day in happiness and kindness. Sunset are proof that ending can often be beautiful.